Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've been invited by Callie from 360Nails to do another collab. We've done several collabs in the past and I always look forward to doing them. So she got in touch with me on Instagram and asked me if I'd like to do this tag, and the name of it is Top 6 Favorite Christmas Indie Polishes. So I went digging through my collection, and I didn't want to just grab like a whole collection from one brand. I wanted to mix it up. Now, most of these polishes are not available because Christmas collections come and go. They're normally limited editions, so you know, I apologize for that in advance. But I'm going to show these, and you might find them in a D-stash or somewhere like that. Some of them may be available with the makers, but let's hop right on into it. So for the very first one, I've got this Dollish polish. It's got Serious Ugly Bottle Syndrome. This one is called God Bless Us Everyone, and I am going to swatch these. I've got a swatch wheel out, and before anybody asks, these are all the glam polishes that I've already swatched and shared. I do have a white nail on here and a black nail for later. So let's go with our first coat of God Bless Us Everyone. And this is like in the mini, so it's got the little tiny brush. But it's beautiful, like green with gold and blue glitters in it. So there it is for the first coat. The next one up doesn't have a Christmas name. It wasn't from a Christmas collection, but every time I see this, I think of Christmas. This is Colors by Laro, and this one's called Mocha Grande. And I want y'all to know, Christmas morning starts with a big Mocha Grande for Miss Mo Baby Nails. So I had to include this one, and this is just a really nice kind of outside the box color for Christmas. It's beautiful. So there we go with that. The next one, I bought this whole Christmas collection from Polish Me Royalty, and I've never worn any of them. There's a long story behind it, but I don't believe they're in business right now, but I love the packaging. I love the little tag, and she wrote the name on them, and it's got a little sticker. It's got another little Polish Me Royalty sticker. This one I'm going to swatch over white, and it is called Oh Holy Night. So I am going to leave these polishes out and hope that I can get some manicures out of them before, you know, the holiday's totally over. Oh, let me get that red one on there. And I might do another coat of that just to kind of get more of that look. But it reminds me of like wreaths or holly berries. Very cool. Kind of hate that I've never worn it, but oh, I'm closing the lid like I'm not doing a second coat. Okay, the next one's going to be no surprise. Anybody that heard the title of this video is going to know this one's in here. This is Brave Steva Polish, Peppermint Bark in the Park. And this is definitely one of my favorite Christmas holiday time polishes. It's perfect. And of course, it's got an excellent formula. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? The next one I have is one of my few 9-0 polishes, and this one's called Twinkle Lights. Look at that. So pretty. And I'm doing these in alphabetical order. I didn't want to try to pick a favorite or anything. But look how cool Twinkle Lights is. And I know there are other polishes out there that are similar, so if you see something you like, just go check out those indie makers, because it's very possible there's something similar being made out there today. This one's from Sister Chic's Christmas collection from last year. This is the one I couldn't get over. This one's called Zuzu's Petals. It's my mother's favorite Christmas movie, And when I saw this polish, she sang to me, and I just absolutely love it. So here we go with Zuzu's Petals. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's got that red jelly base like my beloved Ruby Pumps. But it's got these big glitters and little glitters, and it's just, it's a favorite for sure, for sure. And that's just one coat. Okay, now you guys know I'm a rule breaker. And I had to do one honorable mention. That's why we have a black nail here. I just showed these on my channel, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, but this is Sister Chic Come and Trim My Christmas Tree from this year's collection. This one's totally available. And I'm going to show it over black here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to pop off camera and I'm going to do a second coat of everything, top coat it, and come back and show them to you, okay? Alrighty, I'm back. We've got second coats and a top coat on these. This first one is God Bless Us Everyone by Holiday Polish. This is Grande Mocha by Colors by Laro. Look at that, gorgeous. And then we have Oh Holy Night by Polish Me Royalty. Then we have Brave Steva, Peppermint Bark in the Park. And then we have 90, and this is Twinkle Lights. Very nice. And then we have gorgeous Sister Chic Lacquer, Zuzu's Petals. See if we can get that up there so you can see all the yummies. Oh, so pretty. And then our bonus was Sister Chic, and this is Come and Trim My Christmas Tree. That is crazy. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'd like to thank Callie for inviting me to come play. Thank you, Callie, for doing this here collab. So I've got quite a few polishes out here. I've got the 6 plus the bonus. So if there's anything in particular you would love to see me do a manicure in, leave me a comment down below and I'll try to get that on the list so that we can make that happen. In the comments, let me know what your favorite Christmas polish is. I would love to hear. It doesn't have to be an indie. It could be mainstream, drugstore, boutique, whatever you want to call it. Just give me an idea of what your favorite to wear for Christmas is. So I want to thank you all for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.